Hi everybody. Well, there's little Pani, and I saw her at the door earlier, and I was about to go have my shower and stuff, so I couldn't get her out. She's just a little bit too little to be taking on down to the thanks light, down to the shower with me as yet, but I sort of wondered whether she'd want to come on out now. Always give her the opportunity. She's probably miffed at me and said, look, I wanted out, you know, half an hour ago. Where you been? But and do you want to come out with Mum? Do you? It's pretty dark. Do you want to come out? Yes or no? Because you can come on my hand. I'll let you come on Mum's hand. Yeah? No. Yes, no. Which is it? What is it? Yes or no? Hey? Oh, it's dark. It's dark. Sorry guys. I didn't have the light on. But she is she's kind of making her way out, bless her. Oh goodness, I should have put that light off. Thank you. Are you coming? Would you like to come? Come on, sweetie. You know what to do. Hey? You know what to do with Mum, don't you? I'm trying, yeah, one-handed. I mean, she's still pretty much little enough to do this. I'll let her climb on the cam, and then that way I can use my other hand just to pick up the rest of her. Here, give us that long tail of yours. Hey, are you coming or are you going back home? Ah, good girl. Thanks, Apani. Okay, I'm gonna put the light on for you, otherwise you definitely will not actually see her. Yeah, got it. Well, sort of. Let's go around here with my girl. After being in the dark, we were. I just got to get her off the camera now, guys, so that you can actually see her. And there she is. I'll just put you down. But see, I'm not actually physically, but it feels like it when I'm going in and out of Zoom, putting the camera down, and you guys are there. So, hello. So yeah, I'm in my PJs. It is that time of the night, and I've got the fan on, so I'm going to turn that off because it's getting cooler here. Oh, you're going to go to the front of the camera. That's very good. Hey? I don't know if you can see. I'm sure you can see Jack. I can't because her butt's in the way. And there's Lily. Look at Lily. She's definitely in shed because she's not wanting to come out. And yeah, that's how they're all different. Some just do not want to come out at all when they're in shed. I'm just getting her off again. Well, I'm trying hard, but She's quite comfortable on the camera, right? We need to be seeing you, Missy. And if you're on the camera, how can I... You gonna crawl down there, please? Crawl down there. She's slowly going off, guys, and going onto the couch. So there you go. She's off, and she's running. Aren't you? But guys, just a quick little video with my little quick girl down here. But I got a comment today from a very dear friend who lives over in Switzerland, and she's got a few snakes, and she had what are they called? Basically, an animal protection organisation over there in Switzerland came in and took every one of her snakes off her. And the reason being is some were in tubs. Not all of them, but some, because she hasn't gotten around to getting their enclosures, but is in the process of doing that. And they weren't happy with her and took every one of her snakes. And basically, said, I guess by the age of the snakes or whatever, you've had plenty of time. But I know for a fact that those snakes were being well cared for and very much loved. And she's currently dealing with her anxiety and her depression. She's had to find a new home to go and live, and she has her animals, and we all know that's very difficult when you rent property to find somewhere where you can take your animals. She's devastated, guys, and I'm heartbroken for her. So if you go onto my latest video of Lily outside, snakes and my dreams and goals, and you see Jacqueline there, I would really love you to send her some positive thoughts right now for what's happening to her. It would, I don't know what, oh, my goodness. I mean, a Pani was in a tub up until, what, a month ago? And there was nothing wrong with her being in a tub. And if it's sized enough, and that is the only way at that point that you can house them, so long as they're warm and can thermal regulate and have fresh water and food, and they're out and exercising, which I know is how it is with her snakes, then what is the problem? So I really would like you to just send her a little comment, just a few words of encouragement for her. She can get them back. She's not a millionairess. If she was, those enclosures would have been there and everything would have been exactly the way that she wanted it for her snakes. But we all know it's not just an enclosure that is caring for your snakes. And Jacqueline knows this. So guys, that's it. Just something I would like you to do. She's a beautiful artist as well, and I wish I could do more for her, because I've got a couple of enclosures here that sure I might need them, but I would give them to Jacqueline right now because I can get some more later on. So if anybody else is over there in Switzerland and maybe might be able to help Jacqueline, you know, it would be good. It really would be good. So I don't know how much of my little girl I've managed to get onto. She just wants to come up here. She's so cheeky, guys. But you take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Take care of your snakes. But if you see a person in need, they're a friend, or even if they're a stranger, sometimes it's nice to help others too. I want to say goodbye. Apani. No, she says I want the camera, Mama. Please give me the camera. I like climbing on the camera. Okay. Ciao.